it very seriously by putting maximum needed effort. It is tough to do hard work, but it is important to make our lives smooth. A hard-working person is always happy in life. Success is the result of hard work. The person who works hard achieves many things in life. Dear audience, he is always respected by everyone. Every one of us has goals in life. To fulfill the goals, we need to be hardworking. Dear audience, sitting idle does not help to fulfill one's aim. We are most respected by chance which we get in our life. Dear audience, we must not fear of failure. Failure is the nature to our life. When we fail, we cannot stop working hard. We all should believe on ourselves and keep trying hard until we achieve our aims. Dear fellows, I want to share a few verses of Urdu. धरती बंजर हो तो बरसात से क्या होता है? धरती बंजर हो तो बरसात से क्या होता है? बेअमल दिल हो तो जज्बात से क्या होता है? अमल लाजिम तकमील तमन्ना के लिए है अमल लाजिम तकमील तमन्ना के लिए वरना रंगीन ख्यालात से क्या होता है? Dear audience, we can hard work if we have determination and focus in our life. If one concentration in work is very important. If one concentrate in work is fully whilst doing work. Dear fellows, the work gets finished successful and very soon. So we can say that hard working is key to success. Dear fellows, so keep on doing hard work. Dear audience, I will end my speech with famous quote. With hard work and effort, you can achieve many things. Thank you very much.